Good morning, children. My name is Naveen, having 24 experience in teaching physical science and maths. So, why don't we start Polycet Polytechnic entrance coaching as early as possible so that we can be somewhat better. If you have started practicing the multiple choice questions which appears in the Polycet examination, that gives you an edge in your coming Polycet entrance examination in 2021. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach 2019 Polycet exam Andhra Pradesh paper question by question so that you will understand what type of question comes and also the topic related content on a whole I'll explain so that you will get the subject ideas. What are the benefits of attending these classes, miss? This Polycet coaching not only helps you in getting the good rank in Polycet, it also helps you to do better in your coming board examination. In this lockdown situation, having a good teacher as a guide will definitely help you to achieve the best. And don't worry, I am here with you. Please send your WhatsApp number to my number. My number is 8790349264. And the fees for this is 3,000 rupees. This fees from November 6th to till examination. It works. It's only a tuition fees. Thank you very much.